What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, bringing to you another tool review. Let's check it out. So I'm bringing to you this tool review on the Kiwi slide hammer. It is a tool that I am absolutely loving right now. It was a need that I needed. I'm going to tell you a little backstory on this thing. So I was in Vegas, MTE. I'm with Craig Dreyer in the Anson booth, and we're just talking. Shane Griffin walks up and he's got this bag and he's all secretive about this thing. And that tells you about our industry, how guys are really secretive about new tools coming out. So it's super cool to see a guy with a new innovation bringing new stuff to the market. And it's 2019. So this tool is amazing. And you're going to look at it and you're going to say, it's just a slide hammer. And originally I was like, I don't get it. But he really brought things that we need in the industry. So the biggest problem with slide hammers right now is when you're using Glexco or cold glue, guys are breaking the ends off of them. So they're breaking the very ends, blowing them out because it's just too much force because that stuff is super sticky. So what he did was he created standard slide hammer end, okay? And it pivots and it gives you a pass through. And you can tighten this thing down. And one thing I like about this, I can use it on my Kiko centipedes because of the pass-through. I can use it on my cold glue. And I've been using it a lot on my everyday repairs. So average dead center tabs, I'm using it. I've been using this thing. It's pretty much my go-to right now. The good thing is it still has that standard slide hammer end. The good thing about this, it's a billet aluminum ends. It weighs about 6 pounds. I got this at the Mega Media event in Greeley, Colorado, and it was a pain in the butt to get it through security with my luggage. It's imported here. Anson PDR is the dealer for him. The good thing with it is even since MTE, he's made some adjustments to it. So he put a really nice looking head on here to where you can tighten if it does get loose. It's got flat ends here. And you would think, what do you need flat ends for? It doesn't roll off the car. This thing's 6 pounds. If it hits the top of a door, you're going to be in trouble. It's black anodized. It's really well made. When you touch this thing, you're like, okay. And one feature I like that people don't really realize is it's got these washers. Now these washers are domed. With them being domed, what it's doing is it's letting it bounce and taking the shock out of your hand. It's almost like a spring at the very end. Price point on this is $2.99. And you would think, man, that's a lot of money. The minute you have this thing in your hand, you're going to understand. The build quality, the feel of it, it's just a badass tool. Anson PDR distributes it. Craig Dreyer said the same thing when he felt it in his hand. He knew it was going to be a home run. It's just awesome. If you don't have one of these, make sure you get one. You can get it at ansonpdr.com or at the MTE. I would say order it online. It's a lot to carry around. Like I said, I've been using it on everyday damage. Even the dead center tiny tabs. It just takes so little. It pulls really, really nice, really good fluent in the shaft section. But get yourself one. I will stand behind this product. It's just really well made, and I just love it. So get yourself one at Anson PDR, and I will see you guys on the next one. Keep it real. See you guys.